What up, guys? Welcome back. Hope everyone's having a great day. Happy Wednesday. So today we're going to be installing the new Thrashin Apex mini floorboards. So I'm going to go ahead and prep this, get it ready. I got to Loctite a few of the bolts. Go ahead and get this on, and we'll go down and put it on the lowrider ST. I want to thank all my new subscribers to the channel. Welcome. Thank you guys so much. As a reminder, I'm giving away a pair of Thrashin mini floorboards. All you have to do is subscribe and you're automatically entered into the giveaway. I'm going to choose one winner on May 1st. And the winner is going to receive these new Thrashin mini floorboards. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, and that will automatically enter you into the giveaway. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and put this on. So this is the back piece right over here. And these are the bolts. So there's two ARP bolts. 4 Allen head cap screws, and these 2 mini screws as well. So the first thing we're going to do is put this on. Okay, let's get this lined up. I'm going to put a little bit of Loctite. And I'm going to use a 3/16 Allen. Get that in loosely. Okay, let's get the second one in. Go ahead and lock it down. Okay, that's the first one. Let's go ahead and do the second one. So once you go ahead and put this back plate and put the bolts in, this swivel is held on by one of the ARP bolts, just like that. So once you find the positioning, you go ahead and lock it down from right over here. Okay, let's get some Loctite on these as well. second one, and the last one. Alright, so we snugged down both of them. They're both ready to go. Once we take out the original pegs, I'll go ahead and put these on, show you guys how that works. So these two pieces right over here, I'm gonna wait till we actually put them on so I can Loctite both as well. Let's go ahead and put these back in the case. Grab these. All right, guys, let's go and install this. This is the pin that we need to remove. Right under this pin, there's a clip like this that holds it in place. So once you take this clip out, it will let you release the pin. So let's go ahead and take this pin out. Alright, so you see it's held by a spring as well. So we're just gonna take it out gently, and we're gonna be using the spring again onto the new floorboard. So let me go ahead and get the new floorboard ready to put in. That's where the new spring is gonna attach to. Alright, so I went ahead and put it in. So as you can see, we put the spring back in. The swivel is still on it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. And go ahead and put the ARP bolt with some Loctite. We're also going to be Loctiting this, putting it in loosely until I figure out the best foot position. Okay. All right. Make sure it swivels. Yep, that's working fine. All right, guys. So I found the perfect position that works for me. Tilted it just a little bit up. So I'm gonna lock this down, take it for a test ride. As far as looks, I give it a 10 out of 10. It looks really nice. As far as comfort, it did raise it up a little bit. As you can see, it's really close to my rear brake. Some people might not like that. Some people might like it actually more, being that it's really close to your foot and you can hit the rear much easier. So what I thought it would be actually good to do is leave the peg back on and see which one I prefer more, just in the beginning as I ride both. As far as install, it's very easy, guys. There's just literally one ARP bolt to tighten, and one little screw right over there. Well, there you guys have it. Thrashin's Apex mini floorboards. Once I get a little bit more miles down, guys, I will give you a complete review, let you guys know how I like it. Also, don't forget about the giveaway. May 1st, I'm going to be announcing the winner for the Thrashin mini floorboards. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a great day. Take care.